Hello dear students, I hope you are enjoying your days at your home. Today I would like to welcome you to the first session of Food and Beverage Specialization Practical. In today's session what we will do, we will make some refreshing iced teas. I hope you people are aware about the types of iced teas available in the restaurants and cafes. I hope you already been through the refreshing beverage part in your second semester, in which you learned the types of beverages, in which we went through uh, refreshing beverages, stimulating beverages, and nourishing beverages. So today we will be talking about iced teas, and I hope you all are aware. You have some concept in your mind about various iced teas. Today we will be making three types of iced tea. First, we will start with the basic lemon and mint iced tea. Then we will make strawberry iced tea, and then we will make a peach iced tea. Right. So as you can see, we are standing in our bar, and whenever we set up a bar, we need certain items according to the menus. Right. We need some raw material. We need some mise en place to be done as per the requirement. So today we are making iced tea. For iced tea, what all we require, I will just let you know. Like for iced teas, what we require is some fresh mint, some lemon sliced, and some whole lemons for lemon juice, some sugar syrup, some already we have squeezed some lemon here. You need some flavoring agents if you want. If you want to add some flavor into your iced tea, you need some flavors for that, or you can just use lemon and mint for the flavoring, right? Then we need some equipments also. These equipments are used in every bar, so we are using the same equipments. We need a lemon squeezer, we need a strainer with the strainer tray, we need what we call it, a peg measure, or we call it a jigger. We also call it jigger, right? And this is a bar spoon. This is a muddler to muddle all the ingredients. If you want to muddle mint leaves and lemon chunks in your mojitos, you will require this muddler, right? Then we have some tea sachets for brewing some beverages. You want to brew your tea, you need some tea sachets for that, right? So we will start. Right, first of all, we are making the basic of all green tea, iced teas. We are making a mint and lemon iced tea, right? For when we talk about tea, we need to brew the tea first. And for brewing, you all know brewing is a process in which we use hot water to extract colors and aroma from any ingredient, right? So we need some hot water. For hot water, what we need? We need equipment, that is our boiler here. In the industry, when you go to hotels and all, we have big boilers there near to the coffee shops for tea and coffee requirements. But in a smaller bar, in a bar setup like this, you will be having a small boiler, or you can use it for brewing your teas and brewing your coffees. So for brewing, for iced tea, what we need a good decoction. We need a nicely brewed tea, then only we can make a good iced tea. So I have taken one sachet of normal regular black tea, and I have already boiled some water here. So what we can do, you can just use this boiling water here just for the brewing. You can see it has already started changing the color. The tea is getting brewed. So this is how you will brew your tea at your homes. If you don't have these sachets with you, there is no problem at all. You can just use the regular CTC tea, that granular tea we have at our homes. You can use that tea. You can use 2 teaspoons of tea for this glass, and you can add boiling water and just brew it for a few seconds. Don't keep it for a long, otherwise the what do you call, there are some agents which are very bitter in taste, so that will impart very bad taste to your tea, right? So we have to brew the tea for few seconds only. Now you can see the tea is brewed, and we have got the golden amber brownish color of tea. That is the perfect color for the iced tea. So this is little hot right now. What I will do, I have some tea with me that I kept I brewed it early, so now I can use that already cooled down brewed tea, right? Right, so I have already kept some decoction from the tea. We brewed it in the morning and we kept it ready so that we can use it. If you have just brewed your tea, just keep it for some time, because if you will use the piping hot brewed tea, what will happen? It will melt all the ice and you won't get that refreshing iced tea. So I will request you people, if you are brewing it right now, just keep it for some time. You can keep it in the refrigeration so that the temperature goes down, right? So we will start with our first iced tea that I already told you, that is mint and lemon iced tea. For that, what we need some leaves of mint. Just activate the mint leaves, otherwise it won't release all the aroma and flavor to the tea. What next we need few slices, or you can use chunks here. I have added some slices. If you want to make some chunks of lemon, you can make some chunks. I will show you how. This is how you can make the wedges, right? From wedges you can prepare chunks also. You don't have to do anything, just remove these seeds like this. Take these wedges and cut into 4. One wedge will give you 4 small chunks. You can use these for your iced teas, for your mojitos and other non-alcoholic beverages, right? So I am using it, I am just putting it inside the glass. Now the next step is muddling. You can just muddle this well so that it will release all the juice inside, and the mint will also be imparting its flavor in the drink, right? So we have done the muddling, right? Now what next we need is good amount of ice. As the name suggests, it is an iced tea, so add plenty of ice. Even you can use crushed iced tea or crushed ice. Crushed ice also give a very good look to the beverage. In between, when you are adding ice, just add few more lemon slices. It will give a very good look. And even in between you can add few mint sprigs, so that there is a layering of ingredients in between. And then you can add some more ice. Here we go. Now what else we require is some sugar syrup. Sugar goes as per the taste. The guests you will have in your hotels will having different choices, right? So there will be guests who don't want sugar in their syrups. There will be guests who want sugar free. There will be guests who want sugar separate, because they want to mix their own sugar into their drinks. So you have to take care of that. According to the recipe, we need almost 15 ml of sugar in a tall glass, right? Now we are all set. What else we require is some already brewed tea. I am not using that hot tea, so I am using this pre-made decoction. You can see how it is looking, right? What else we need is some garnish. You cannot serve any beverage without a good garnish, so I am just using a lemon slice. This is the basic garnish. You can even use a slice of orange if you want to use. And with the help of a bar spoon, you can just mix all the flavors together before serving it to the guest. You can see how good it is looking. You can also add a straw. Your basic lemon and mint iced tea is ready. Thank you.